Alright, this is the quick guide on how to cancel Beehive subscription for your newsletter. So first I'm going to Beehive or whatever you say it. So after you log into your Beehive account, you will choose your newsletter right here. If you had more than one, you can click right here to check how many you have. So when you come to this page, just go right here at the bottom where you see this gear right here, setting, and then when you come right here, you will look to the left, and then you will see billing and plan. Click on here, and then as you could see, last payment $31, and then next one will be 39, which is absurd because when I start, they start me with $31. Now they try to increase the price, and lucky for me, I was thinking, hold on, let me check my Beehive subscription. So yeah, I decided to leave this platform because I don't use my newsletter that much. So click right here on change, and then when you click on change, you will see downgrade to launch. There is not an option to actually cancel it, but if you downgrade it to launch, that will be $0, so you won't get charged. And here's everything you will get, and then here's something that you will lose access to, so I don't really care. And I had this plan right here, so I'm going to click on downgrade to launch, and then right here it's a downgrade review change, and then I'm going to scroll down. They told you what you will lose. I don't really care. Make sure you do not click never mind, just click continue. And too expensive. I can already tell they're going to try to make me stay with some offer, which I will refuse, and then click continue. Exactly. They say 25% off for 3 months. I don't care. They asked me to pause the plan. I don't care. I'm just going to click continue and cancel this plan. Continue again. Click right here. I understand my plan will change on May 11 from then on. Yes. And I will lose access to all this. I don't really care. And then cancel my plan right here. Click on it. And then you will be loading, and boom, next payment $0. So as you could see, guys, this is exactly how you cancel a Beehive newsletter subscription. Yeah, so I hope you now have your Beehive newsletter subscription canceled. Peace out.